Good morning. Today I am going to show what are the books available in control system. So let us start with the textbooks. One standard textbook is Nagaratha and Gopal. There is one book, Nagaratha and Gopal. New Age International Publications. So Nagaratha and Gopal is one of the standard textbook useful for GATE and IES. The another old textbook is Benjamin and Sekou. Benjamin and Sekou, Automatic Control System by Benjamin and Sekou. Generally we call it as BCQ. So Eastern Economy Edition, PHI, Prentice Hall of India. There is another book, this is useful for mechanical and production engineering. They cover most of the mechanical systems. Modern Control Engineering by Ogata, OGATA. So this is the book. It covers all the topics, but main focus on mechanical system, thermal, pneumatic system and so on. So these three are the standard textbooks. Then we have reference books, BTech point of view, university examination point of view. So an Anand Kumar, Control System by Anand Kumar. There is also PHI. So mainly this author will cover all the problems with solutions. Anand Kumar. There is another equivalent book of Anand Kumar is UA Bakshi. VU Bakshi, UA Bakshi. This author written many books in many subjects. So title is Control Systems, Technical Publications. So this is also like a guide, problems with the solutions. Rai Chaudhary also another book. This is also like a guide. These are all local authors. D. Rai Chaudhary is also PHI. This is another book recently came, Control System with Essential Theory, CBS Publications and Solutions. So this author also covered all problems with solutions. Problems with the solutions, cover all the topics. There is another book, Jairath. The Jairath is exclusively good for Bode plot, then signal flow graph, mechanical systems, electrical systems, force voltage, force current analogy. So those topics are covered well in Jairath. CBS Publications, Jairath, this is the old book. Then there is another book, NC Jagan, Control System by NC Jagan. This NC Jagan, he has covered multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions from GATE examination. From 2003 to 2014, all GATE questions are covered. And other examination questions also covered. So for that you can refer N.C. Jagan. So these are the references. There are many other books also. M.D. Desai, Control System by M.D. Desai. This is basically all instruments: stepper motor, tachometer, magnetic amplifier, modulator, demodulator, relays, hydraulic valves, pneumatic, thermal, etc. So those all instruments will be covered in this M.D. Desai. This is a good book for those topics. JICO, Strategy, Control System Theory with Engineering Applications. So this is one for reference. All these are reference. All these are for reference. Automatic Control System by George Thaler. Just for reference. Nyquist plot covered, root locus covered, just for reference. Then K. Bhattacharya. K. Bhattacharya. So all solid examples covered. Some multiple choice questions also covered end of the book. K. Bhattacharya. Sudhir Gupta, Elements of Control System. Sudhir Gupta. Smarajit Ghosh. Smarajit Ghosh is also for reference. This is Nagaratha and Gopal, M. Gopal here. This book is only for M. Gopal. Bode plot compensators design is given well. So design problems point of view, this book is good. There is another one, Control System by Naresh Sinha. So just I am showing all the books available in the library. So these are the books available. You can buy Benjamin Seeku or Nagaratha and Gopal as a textbook. Then Anand Kumar, Bakshi or Rai Chaudhary, you can, anyone you can buy for problems with the solutions. There is one more book, Control System by Xavier, also there. So these are the books available in Control System. Thank you.